Hello my beautiful people, welcome to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to continue with the bank reconciliation statement. I'm going to show the procedure. I'm going to talk about the procedure in preparing bank reconciliation statement. Let us dive in. The first step in the preparation of the bank reconciliation statement is to get the records. That means to get the two accounts, the bank statement and the bank account. Once you have gotten the bank statement and the bank account as an accountant, you have to go through the bank statement and the bank account. Compare the account kept by the bank statement to the account kept by the enterprise. That means you start with the debit side. Remember, it is a reciprocal account, which means what the enterprise debits, the bank is going to credit. What the enterprise credits, the bank is going to debit. So you start with the debit side of the bank account to the credit side of the bank statement. You start chronologically as the dates are coming up. Yes, it's normal that they may have different dates. They don't consider the dates, but it's good since you are just comparing the transactions, just start chronologically. You start with the first date. You first of all start with the balances of the previous periods. The balances may not be equal, which means they have not considered the last reconciled statement. There were some checks that they did not consider or some errors that they have not considered. First of all, verify if the balances brought down are the same. You go now to the various transactions on the debit side of the bank statement. You go to the various transactions on the debit side of the bank account. You compare them to the credit side of the bank statement. The next step, you take the credit side of the bank account, you compare to the debit side of the bank statement. After that, you identify outstanding checks and deposits. You identify the errors committed and you correct them. You adjust the bank charges, interest, and the direct deposits. And then you prepare the bank reconciliation statement. Of course, in the international accounting standards, after comparing and those accounts that has not been ticked, you need to update the bank account, which is also known as the cash book. But in the OHADA accounting standards, once you compare and you do all the correction, you are supposed to present a bank reconciliation statement. And when you want to look at it, you see that that bank reconciliation statement will be made up of the adjusted cash book as in international accounting standards and the bank reconciliation, because you have accounts kept by the enterprise and the account kept by the bank in one account, which is the bank reconciliation statement. Thank you very much for watching, and please stay tuned, because in my next video I'm going to show you practically how to update, how to present a bank reconciliation statement. Thank you.